Why is blood actually red? The science explained. The secret reason your blood is red. David Key Bank. Why is blood red? What is up, family? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is David Key Bank, and I am absolutely thrilled to have you with us today. On this channel, we dive into the cool, the curious, and the questions you think about right before you fall asleep. Do me a quick favor if you love discovering how the world works. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get into it. So, let's talk about blood. We see it. We know we need it. But why is it so bright red? The short answer? It all comes down to a tiny, super powerful protein inside your body called hemoglobin. Visual, simple, bold text overlay. Hemoglobin, you know how when iron is left outside in the rain, it reacts with oxygen and turns into a reddish-brown rust. A very similar thing happens inside your blood. When the iron in your hemoglobin binds with the oxygen from your lungs, it undergoes a chemical reaction. This reaction changes the way the protein absorbs and reflects light, making it look bright, vibrant red. Fun fact: when that delivery truck drops off the oxygen and heads back to the lungs, it becomes deoxygenated. That means it loses a bit of that brightness and turns a dark, deep maroon color. But despite what you might have heard on the internet, your blood is never actually blue. So, the next time you see that crimson color, just remember you're literally looking at iron and oxygen keeping you alive and moving every single second. If you learned something new today, smash that like button and drop a comment below letting me know what question I should tackle next. I'm David Key Bank. Thank you so much for rocking with me.